Welcome to Narisaki. Today let's make turmeric lemon pickle. So I have taken fresh turmeric which is cleaned and dried. All the ingredients needs to be dried. So now I'm going to peel off the turmeric and grate it. You can grate it using a grater like this one. So I'm taking here dry clean bowl and adding all my ingredients. First goes grated turmeric. This is our main ingredient. Then I have cut lemon. I have cleaned and dried lemon into bite-sized pieces. Green chilies add as per your choice, and these are red chili powder, how taste flavorful you want it. Lemon juice for your taste and for shelf life, and I have split mustard seeds, some salt, and mix it very well. This will make the pickle so tasty with all the flavors. Now we are going to rest it for 1 hour so all the juices will come out, and I'm going to make the seasoning. Take some oil. I've taken now I'm going to take crushed fenugreek seeds. So you can add 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. I'm adding more because this is for a diabetic patient, my friend Asafoetida, because this will give a slight bitterness, but it's very healthy. So I'm going to, after the fenugreek seeds are cooked in this oil, make sure they don't get burnt. Keep the flame low. I'm going to put it off and let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, then only I'm going to add this oil to the pickle. Otherwise, pickle will get spoiled. So oil is completely cooled down and our pickle is ready, just a mix away. So mix it very well. Keep it in room temperature for 1 day, and then you can store it in a dry container like this bottle, and keep it in the refrigerator. Serve it with any food of your choice. Enjoy.